Now 18th problem, this is a spiral. There is a spiral with centers A, B. So for one semicircle, the radius will be center will be A, and for the other semicircle, radius will be B, and so on. So there are around 13 spirals. We have to find the length of the wire used for doing the spiral with 13 rounds. So radius for the first semicircle will be 0.5, radius of second semicircle will be 1.0, radius of third semicircle will be 1.5, and radius of fourth semicircle will be 2.0, and so on till R13. We have to find the total length of the wire used to do this spiral. Now we have circumference of the semicircle. Circumference of semicircle is equal to pi r. Now circumference of first semicircle, that is A equal to pi into r1, which is equal to pi into 0.5, A2 equal to pi into r2 is equal to pi into 1, A3 equal to pi into R3, which is equal to pi into 1.5, and so on till A13. Now D value will be, D is equal to A2 minus A1, which is equal to pi minus pi 0.5. So if we take pi common here, this will be 1 minus 0.5, which is equal to pi 0.5. D is equal to pi into 0.5. So we have A value, we have D value, we also have the N value. So the number of rounds we have to find is 13. Sn can be written as, here we don't have the last value, L value is not there, so we'll use Sn equal to n by 2 into 2A plus n minus 1 into D. So here S12 we are finding, S13 we are finding, so this will be 13 by 2 into 2A. I will not substitute A and D values. Now we will just substitute n value, 13 minus 1 into D. So this will be 13 by 2 into 2A plus 12D. So this will be 13 by 2. If we take 2 common here, this will be A plus 6D. So 2 gets cancelled, this will be 13. Now we will substitute A value. A value is pi into 0.5 plus 6 into D. D value is pi into 0.5 again. Pi into 0.5. So this will be, now we are substituting A value. A value is pi into 0.5. 6 into D value is again pi into 0.5. Now here this will be pi into 0.5 plus 6 pi into 0.5. Now this value is 13. Now pi plus 6 pi is 7 pi into 0.5. Now here in the problem he already told us to take pi value as 22 by 7. Now if we take pi equal to 22 by 7, this will be 13. 7 into 22 by 7 into 0.5. This 7 gets cancelled. This will be equal to 13 into 22 into 0.5. 22 into 1 is 22. 22 into half. 0.5 is nothing but half. 22 into half will be 11. So this will be 13 into 11. 13 into 11. 11 3s are 33. 11 1s are 11. 12, 13, 14. So 13 into 11 will be 143. Therefore S13, the total length of the wire will be 143 for 13 rounds of the spiral.